Hey Adams, this is Unit 8, Lesson 14. We're going to be looking a little bit closer at the chapter we read last lesson. So the first thing you're going to do is reread the chapter, or you can listen to it here at this video. So pause me and come back once you have reread this chapter. All right, now that you've read the chapter, we're going to answer some questions. It says, answer the following questions in complete sentences. Give evidence from the text to support your answers. Number 1 asks, how would you describe Jim's reaction when he finally finds the treasure? Use evidence from the text to support your answer. So you're telling me, what was Jim's reaction like? So when Jim finds the treasure, he blinked. So let's reread this paragraph. And then you need to find evidence to support your text. So as I'm reading, find the evidence that tells you, I know, or we'll just say the text says this. That will be your evidence. In the flickering light of the cave, I beheld heaps of coins and stacks of golden bars. That was Flint's treasure that we had come so far to seek, and that had already cost the lives of a number of men. How many lives had it cost to gather all this gold? How many seamen had been shot or marooned or sent to the bottom of the ocean? There's no way to tell. Number 2, now that you have read the entire story, how has Jim changed? What is Jim like at the beginning, and how is he different at the end? So at the beginning, Jim is blank. At the end, Jim is blank. The text says blank. Number 3, how does Jim's opinion of Long John Silver change? So there's the first part. So Jim's opinion of Silver changes because blank. What does Jim think of him at the beginning and end of story? First, Jim thinks blank, then he thinks blank. So that would be your evidence. And lastly, number 4, one of the themes of this story is greed. Greed means selfish desire for things one doesn't need. So you're going to find part of the story, any part of the story, where the characters were experiencing greed. So it's being selfish. It's wanting something that you don't need. All right? So think of any time in this entire story that we read where somebody was being greedy, and talk about it for number 4. All right, when you're done with that, head on over to skills. We'll do some word work first. So we're looking at the word well-being. It says, it was extraordinary how the men regained their sense of well-being. Well-being means the state of being healthy, happy, and comfortable. My friends and I always look out for each other's well-being. Number 1, list something that is important to your well-being. What's something that helps you stay healthy, happy, and comfortable? And number 2, what part of speech is it? For the next few questions, we're going to do some work with conjunctions. So we've been working with and, but, so, and yet. So you're going to fill in the blank to make the sentence correct. So that's for 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to do some vocab work. So again, fill in the blank. It is dangerous for Jim Hawkins to be in the coracle with blank waves crashing around him. Fill in the blank. Power, powerful, or powerless. And that is it for skills. We're just filling in the blank. So read the sentence, find the word that best fits the sentence. Make sure you're joining live lessons if you need any help, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye, Adams.